Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review AlloyMove Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The AlloyMove A05 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and powerful solution for keeping your entire home spotless, designed to combine cutting-edge technology with user-friendly convenience. With its sleek, cool design and an upright stick form factor, this vacuum is ideal for tackling a wide variety of cleaning tasks, from everyday dust and pet hair to deep debris trapped in carpet, tiles, and hard-to-reach corners. Equipped with a 550-watt brushless motor and 50 kPa super suction, the AlloyMove A05 ensures every sweep captures dust, crumbs, and pet hair efficiently. Users will appreciate its 4 adjustable suction levels, allowing precise control for different floor types and cleaning intensities. From delicate hardwood to deep pile carpets, the vacuum's V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush reduced hair warp and damage to floors, while its flexible brush head with a green LED illuminates dark areas under furniture or tables, making it easier than ever to achieve a thorough clean. One of the standout features of the AlloyMove A05 is its long-lasting, removable battery system. The vacuum offers up to 80 minutes of runtime in eco mode and 25 minutes on maximum suction. A full charge takes about 4 hours, and a freestanding design combined with a wall-mounted charging and storage makes keeping it powered and organized straightforward. For larger homes or extended cleaning sessions, spare batteries are also available. Filtration is another strength. The 7-layer HEPA and multi-cone filtration system captures 99.99% of the fine dust and allergens, releasing fresh air while reducing exposure to airborne particles. The 1.5-liter dust bin allows for extended cleaning without frequent emptying, and its one-touch dust release keeps hands clean and maintenance simple. The AlloyMove A05 comes with a range of attachments for versatility, including a metal telescopic pole, anti-tangle floor brush, long serif and white brushes, long handle brush, and extra HEPA filter. These tools makes it easy to clean everything from ceilings and curtains to sofas, car interiors, and tight corners. Operating the vacuum is effortless with one-time control for power, suction adjustment, and dustbin release. Customers on Amazon consistently praise the AlloyMove A05 for its strong suction, lightweight design, and overall ease of use. Many highlight its ability to clean hair and dust from hard-to-reach places, while appreciating the LED brush for spotting hidden dirt. The long battery life, rapid charging, and convenient wall-mounted storage are noted as major plus points. Some users mention the impressive performance across different floor types and the vacuum's well-constructed durable feel. AlloyMove backs the A04 with 24 months of warranty, professional customer service, and lifetime technical support, making it a worry-free investment for maintaining a clean and healthy home. This cordless vacuum offers a combination of power, flexibility, and convenience, delivering a professional-grade clean in the comfort of your own home. Overall, the AlloyMove A04 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for anyone looking for high-performance, easy-to-use, and thoughtfully designed vacuum that can handle everything from everyday messes to stubborn pet hair, with advanced filtration and user-friendly features that makes cleaning more efficient and satisfying. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.